Hi, I'm Julian and I'm going to show you the new pan feature of version 5.2 of Midjourney. So let's say you have a certain prompt. Spacious villa, exterior, bright, modernism by day, sunlight, sheer and opaque, nature inspired, and so on. So let's choose one of these 4 images. This one is nice because it has such a large pool. So let's go with image number 3. Door number 3. Now you can find 4 new buttons, left, right, top, down, and let's go to the right in this case. You can change the prompt as well. I'll leave it as it is for now. We can see here it's already rendering. I'm using the new turbo mode, which is quite expensive, but just for the sake of this, I'll do it. We choose another image. Now we only have 2 more options. We can't go up or down anymore, but let's go to the right. And now let's change this a bit. Spacious villa, exterior, bright modernism by day, and palm trees, jungle. We can see here the image has gotten longer. I think you already know what this will look like doing it 20 times. Okay, now what we can do is pretty simple. Click on web, which brings us to the Midjourney website. Click the little save button here. This saves it to your hard drive. Then we go into something like Premiere. You can use Final Cut as well, or any other software for that matter. And import your image. Go to new item and sequence, and then you choose 1080 by 1920. This is a 9 by 16 ratio. You can use that for Instagram, for example. Now you have this sequence, import our image, and you can see it's pretty small, so we have to scale it up. Let's open the effect controls, scale the image up so it fits the whole canvas. You can move it to the left, like here, and then create a keyframe. Here's a position keyframe, and then at the end there will be another, and you can move it to the left like this. You can just drag these numbers all the way over and move the keyframe right up to the end. And this basically means you have created a very simple pan. If this is too fast for you, like in this instance, let's just stretch the image out a bit. Here in our timeline, you can see our keyframe now here sits in the middle. We move it to the right. Let's see what the speed is right now. This is much nicer. It's a lot smoother. You can imagine telling stories with this, right? For example, if we not only have the palm trees, but introduce different houses or even go in an absurd direction, there's an explosion or fire or something. Your storytelling capabilities are the only limit for what you can do with this technique. So, if you like this, there's another video where I tell you about the zoom function of Midjourney, so maybe watch this as the next one. And feel free to subscribe, of course. Thank you.